Take two.
Take two. So, when I got contacted by VIFLY, as soon as the Neo2 come out, they said, Shaun, would you be interested in giving a review on the Neo2 HALO? We got the lights, so they sent me the package the other day. I mean, you know, I'll be honest, the packaging, nothing special, but hey, it's nothing about the packaging, it's about the lights, isn't it? So open it up, inside, you always get a little message, thank you, and on the back there, if you've got any problems, you can just contact them. And to be honest, they've always been really good to me, Wendy. I don't think she owns a company, but she's always contacted me with emails. And obviously they give you an instructions booklet. But can it be that difficult? I don't think so. I mean, to me, I'm going to leave them on because I like another protection running, another bumper. So here's the main part. This is what I class as the power pack. Now they say it doesn't take that long to charge up. You've got like a USB-C port there. And I'm right in thinking we got a little button there. Anyway, I'm going to show you that in a mo. Guys, I ain't even fit this up. So if I can do it, it just shows you how easy it is to do. And looking at it now, it didn't look that difficult, to be honest. It looks like somehow it goes like that. I'm right in thinking, and a quick look at the instructions. So what I've done anyway is charged it already, but you can do it with this one, which I'll be getting out, and we'll be having a bit of a flyabout at the end of the video. There it's on the front. I think this one's on the back. What I class as the main part. It just actually clips on the back there. I'll just push it in and just knocked off the gimbal cover. So just give you an idea there. So it just literally just clips on there. I can just pull it off again. So do it again. Yeah, so it's clipped on, nice and secure. So the next thing we need to do is put on what I class as the bumpers. And I would imagine, looking at it, that you would have the lettering on the top. There's your lettering on the top. But also making sure that the connectors are going to go around to the back. So obviously that's how it's going to go. This would be the left one and this would be the right one. Right. So you can see that fits on that bit that sticks out. So you've got a bit more added protection at the front now so your camera doesn't get done. So I'm just going to do the same again. So that's gone on straight away. That's come on pretty easy. There you are. I'll just show you a bit at the back, at the side, at the front there. And obviously then all we've got to do then is push in the connectors either side. It's a little bit difficult, but you've got to have that facing the top part there because there's a little groove. You can see it. It's difficult, isn't it? There's a little groove there that it just goes into. So that's done. And then obviously at the rear there is the button. Just to see what happens. Just pressed it once. Right. So you've got to make sure you press in that button there. And I think if you just keep pressing it, you get different colours. And I think if you press it twice, yeah, it starts to flash. So you get that? Press it once. Press it again. Sorry, double click it, Matthew. Making sure that you got some nails. And then we've got a bit of a strobe. Press that again, we've got the red strobe. And then we've got a psychedelic. So, there you are.
I mean, the only good thing about it, it's not going to take your nose off, is it? So the, no, you're almost quite big, isn't it? Yeah, I've got a mic on there. Yeah, well, anyway, that's not bad. Right, anyway, we're going to wait till it gets a bit more darker. I don't think you can really... Yeah, you might be able to see it. Yeah. But it look, on there, it looks so bright, doesn't it? It's bright. Oh, yeah. Don't shake it. I'm nervous. Oh, yeah. It's got a pop light on this one. That's it. Hopefully you can see the rear of the light here. Oh, it's dark. It didn't look that dark on there, but obviously, remember guys, this is not. It's not for night flying. It's for. That's a bit brighter. Look, you can see it on there. Look. Back to blue. I think there's one that goes all the way around, like continuous. Double tap it.
Oh, yeah,
that's it. Oh yeah, I like that. The strobey. Yeah. Now, well, okay, we'll take that one off. We'll take off again. Okay. Okay.
Changes.
Yeah.
This is it.
So now it obviously is dark now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you know, I think it's still worth buying. I think if it, but it's not for night time as such. Is
No,
it?
it's just a bit of flare on your drone, I suppose.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, what another thing I think to me, it's got added protection for the drone with the bumper thing, but yeah, it doesn't affect the video at the front there. So there you are. So, see you sooner.
See you soon, amigos.
No, you got to say it sooner.
Oh, see you sooner.
Is
that better?
It's like that.